Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Workspace on Gmail with your domain, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Workspace on Gmail with your domain, start by signing into your Google Admin Console. Visit admin.google.com and enter your admin account credentials. Next, locate the Domains section within the console. Click on Manage Domains to view your existing domain settings. If you haven't added your domain yet, select Add a Domain or a domain alias. Enter the domain name you want to use and choose a verification method suitable for you, such as adding a TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Follow the specific instructions provided for your chosen verification method. After you've completed the verification steps, return to the Admin Console and click Verify. Once you're from the Admin Console dashboard, click on Users to begin creating user accounts. Select Add New User and fill in the required details like name, email address, and password. After setting up users, configure the necessary services for your Google Workspace account. Navigate to Apps in the Admin Console and click on Google Workspace. Here, you can manage services like Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. To set up Gmail, locate the Gmail option and ensure it is enabled for your users. Next, you will need to modify your domain's MX records to direct email traffic to Google's servers. Access your domain registrar's website and log into your account. Find the DNS settings for your domain and look for the MX records section. Delete any existing MX records and then add Google's MX records as specified in the Google Workspace Setup Guide. After updating the MX records, it may take some time for the changes to propagate. Once your MX records are set up correctly, return to the Gmail settings in your Admin Console. You can then customize your Gmail appearance and settings based on your organization's needs. Try sending a test email to verify that everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, double-check the DNS settings and ensure the MX records are correctly entered. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Google Workspace on Gmail with your domain. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.